I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting on Webex. So, first open Webex. Next, tap on Schedule at the top. So, from the Meetings tab, tap the Schedule button. It's the calendar icon. Next, at the top under Topic, type the name of your meeting. Example, Team Update, Client Discussion, or Weekly Review. Next, at the bottom, add invitees. So tap invitees, then search contacts inside Webex. You can use the search bar. You can search by their name or email, or you can type the email addresses manually. So this is who will receive the meeting invitation. Now at the bottom, you can tap on check calendar and you can check the calendar in there. Now let's go back. Now under start, choose meeting date and starting time. So next, under end, choose ending time and ending date. Below that, you can also choose the time zone. Next, tap recurrence if you want the meeting to repeat. So you can do it daily, weekly, or monthly and then click on save. If it's only once, leave it as none and click on save. Now, Webex automatically creates the meeting link and the password for that link. So you can tap these if you want to customize some settings. And at the bottom, type your description like agenda, discussion points, or reminders. Now, once done, at the top right corner, tap on schedule, and Webex will create the meeting and send invitations. Once created, Webex gives you a meeting link, meeting number, and password. So you can copy that and send it through Messenger, WhatsApp, Gmail, or SMS. So simple. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.